Welcome! If you're ready to give your Facebook profile a fresh new look by updating your profile picture directly from your cover photo, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Facebook's new update on your PC to turn your cover photo into your profile photo in just a few clicks. First things first, open up the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top of the page and click on your current profile photo. This will quickly take you right into your profile. Now, as you view your profile, direct your attention to your cover photo, the large banner-like image at the top of your page. Hover over this image, and you'll notice 3 dots appear just underneath it. Click those 3 dots to open a menu of options. From this menu, choose the option labeled Make Profile Picture. Facebook will now let you set this cover image as your new profile photo. You'll have the chance to make a few edits before finalizing the change. You can adjust how the image is cropped, zoom in or out to get the best framing, and maybe add a fun frame or effect if you like. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Save. Just like that, your cover photo is now your latest profile picture. It's a quick, simple way to keep your Facebook presence up to date and visually cohesive. With this new update, Facebook makes it easier than ever to switch things up and keep your profile looking sharp. If you like the look and feel of your cover photo, why not make it your profile picture too? Give it a try and show off your updated style to your friends and followers. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your new look.